Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to make likes on X public. And the truth is that actually you can do that, because since 2024, X made all likes private by default, and there's currently no option in your settings to make them public again. So when you go to your profile and open your likes tab, this view is only visible to you and no one else can access that. Even your followers cannot see it. The only option for you will be, if you want people to know what you basically enjoy, what posts you like, you need to retweet it, or you can quote or reply to posts instead of liking them. So go to specific post that you want to interact with and tap these two arrows in a square icon and select repost or quote. So let's select repost, and if I tap my profile picture and access my profile, I will see this post that I had just reposted on my page. That's the only way how you can share with X community that you like some kind of post. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.